Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. Edward here. So in this video, I'm going to talk about free leads, how you're going to be able to generate ongoing free leads on autopilot using a free for life system. Okay, you never need to upgrade or do anything with it. In fact, there's no upgrade available with this system. I've been using this system for years, and this is a completely rebrandable system that you just go through, you set it up, you fill in the blanks, you click save, and the entire system rebrands to you. So when you give away this system, and yes, you do get free branding rights and free giveaway rights to this system. And when you brand it yourself and you share out your links, okay, to the done for you funnels that we've created for you, guys, that your leads are only going to see your links to the various programs that you've added in there. Now you can put your businesses in there, you can put your tools in there, you can put whatever you're promoting in there. It could be an affiliate offer, and that's some kind of affiliate program. It could be a network marketing business. It could be whatever, a tool or training or whatever you want to promote. It's your choice. You stick your links in there, and you can stick a whole bunch of whatever you're promoting or whatever. And guys, now it all brands to you. So these links that you're putting in there will only be shown to your leads. So your leads will only see your links to join these programs. Now, the other good news about this is, when you get to step 2, okay, and you've already put your own businesses in there, when you get to step 2, you get to take a look at the recommended traffic systems that we've put in there. Okay, these traffic systems are highly recommended simply because they've been responsible for generating me hundreds of leads, thousands of leads, okay, and signups into my various businesses. Okay, so in a sec, I'm going to just transfer over to my computer and let you have a look at this free marketing system. Okay, and once you get on the inside, you'll just have a way to go through 3 simple steps. Okay, step 1 is where you put your businesses in there of your choice or tools or whatever. Step 2 is where you get access to all the very powerful traffic systems and tools, okay, that's responsible for generating traffic. Because guys, if you're not getting traffic and eyeballs onto your pages, onto your programs, you're not in business. Nothing's happening, okay? So that's an essential step. And then when you get to step 3, we give you access to all the done for you funnels that you just plug and play. And then, from that point on, it's just rinse and repeat. And all the people that come through your funnel system, that's exactly what it is. It's a funnel system. They only get to see your join links to your programs. Okay. And we put it in such a way so that, there's no guesswork. There's no learning curve. There's no training. You just fill in the blanks. You follow the steps. And once you've done it, it's all completely set up. There's no guesswork to it. You just follow the simple step, and you just teach your team to follow the simple steps. In fact, there's no teaching involved because the system does all the talking and the walking for you with the training videos that are in there. Okay, so now I'm going to switch over to my computer and let you have a look at this system. I'm just going to go through it, and you're going to be able to go through it step by step. It's 100% free. So get on the links below. Make sure you get this thing set up. So let's have a look at the system. Okay, so here I am logged into my back office of the Mega Marketing Pro system. Now, this is the system that I've personally created about 3 years ago. Okay, so this system has been going for many years. We've got a lot of happy users on this system. And as I say, guys, this is free. This is 100% free. Okay, so this system is going to absolutely allow you to rebrand it the way you want. Okay, all you do is you watch the video first. It's got 3 very simple steps. Step 1, start here. Step 2, get traffic. And step 3, automation. This is where you set up your funnel. Okay, these are 3 essential steps. Okay, and you watch the video first on each step. You basically brand it. So, this section here is where you get to see your sponsor. Okay, and it's vitally important because this is a marketing system, guys, but I like to call it a prospecting system. It really has a better way of really connecting with your team, the people that come in through your links, whether you're into network marketing or whether you're into affiliate marketing or promoting tools or software or whatever. This will allow you to promote whatever business. But it's when you're in business, guys, it's essential that you have a way to communicate, or that perhaps they have a way to communicate with you. So you got to set these steps up, such as go to the profile settings, and you can edit the profile and put in your links so that they can get in touch with you. Upload your photo and fill that in. Now, all these buttons will depend on what you decide to put into the platform. So these buttons change depending on what you see. So you're going to always see your sponsors' buttons. Okay. So in my case, I've put in Live Good there. I've put in other targeted clicks. Okay, for that. Okay, and so when people click that, who've joined you in this system, they're only going to see your businesses. Okay, so everyone's buttons are different. Okay, but you get to add in more buttons there. So you can add in up to 10 businesses of your choice. Okay, and then down here again, you've got these buttons here. So these are the first two buttons that you can put in here. You put your businesses of choice. It could be a recommendation. It could be an affiliate program. It could be a network marketing company, and you get to change the branding here. The description of the business, the business name, or whatever. Okay, same applies here, and then you can optionally add yours in there. So some people reach out to me and say, well, I've changed my buttons, why do I still see your buttons? Okay, well, the answer is that because when you're logged into your own system in your back office, you're always going to see your sponsors buttons there, because they can have the opportunity to change those buttons anytime they want, and you're going to see every time you log in, you're going to see whatever businesses they're involved in. The same applies to your team. The people that you refer to this system, they're always going to see whatever businesses you're involved in. Okay, so they're always going to see whatever links you have put in here. Okay, so you have complete control. Okay, so then this system, the backbone of this system is where you join LeadsLeap. Okay, so you need to join LeadsLeap under your sponsor, and if you already got a LeadsLeap account, that's fine. All right, you don't ideally you want to be joining your sponsor, really, if you want to get their help and support. But if you've already got an account and you're asking, do I have to create a new account under with LeadsLeap under my sponsor? The answer is you don't have to. But don't reach out to your sponsor asking him questions or her questions about LeadsLeap if you're not actually under them. So if you're thinking you're going to need their help about training with LeadsLeap or anything, it was a good idea to join under your sponsor. But obviously, that's not always possible because you've already set up an account with LeadsLeap and you've probably promoted it and you've got a team or whatever. So in which case, you just got to make sure you get help from your existing sponsor, or you can get in touch with LeadsLeap support if you need any help. That's up to you. Okay, but anyway, so then you can go into next step 2. It's really that simple. So you're saving your steps each time, and you go into step 2 and you get access to the traffic programs. Now, these are really, really powerful traffic programs that I highly recommend, because guys, it is so essentially important to make sure that you have eyeballs always, quality advertising, quality clicks, quality views onto your businesses of your choice. Okay. And you need to be promoting in the right way so that these traffic systems can, work a whole lot better because of this, powerful funnel system. So, we've got a lot of recommendations here. Okay. And the great thing is that you can brand every step. So when you join these different traffic systems, you can go ahead and put the various. Now, obviously, when you're here, and in your case, you're going to see enter your blah 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 here. So in this case, it's a full URL, but you've got to follow the instructions. In some cases, it's not a full URL. It says enter your second splash user ID number. So you've got to follow the instructions. Okay. So in some cases, you need to put a full URL in there. In some cases, it might be a user ID, it might be a user ID number or whatever. But you just follow the written instructions here on screen. The reason why I've done like that is because, I can't predict, okay, guys, I can't predict what affiliate or, what system, what traffic platform have, they have their own requirements as to how we are able to promote the systems in there. So you've got to follow those instructions because every system has different rules. Okay, and you just simply click save. It's really that simple. And then you move on to the next step, step 3, or you can just click on to step 3 here. You can have a look around at other things like programs or whatever. They don't mean a whole lot to everyone. Some people will regard them as important, but the main steps are step 1, step 2, and step 3. Okay, but also you need to make sure you edit your profile settings right here, and then you can have a look around at other things like tools and banners and swipes after you've set everything up. Then the next step is to go on to step 3, automation. I call it automation because that's exactly what it is. Okay, automation is where you set up your autoresponder. Okay, and you need to set up your funnel. We've got a whole lot of done for you funnels in here. Again, you get a second chance to make sure you do join Leads Leap under your sponsor. Then you can add your Leads Leap share codes to the system. Okay, what does a share code mean? It simply means these are done for you pages that we have created inside Leads Leap. Okay, therefore you need to join Leads Leap, and once you do join Leads Leap, then you're going to be able to import these share codes into your account, and these pages become yours. And the good news is that they become Leads Leap has a built-in drag and drop editor, so you want to think of these as just simply templates. A lot of our members are getting very creative using the simple drag and drop editor within Leads Leap, and setting up the pages the way they want. It's up to them. You can use the pages as is. They are templates, but you can use them as is if you're a complete newbie. But if you want to get a little bit creative and drag a few things around, if you know how to use a mouse, I'm sure most people do. You can just get a little bit more creative. But anyway, you don't need to set up all these pages. You can just pick one or whatever that you like, and then just redirect them to the page here. You must do that. Okay, so you don't share this out directly. Okay, you need to set up a lead capture page, and you want to be doing that because you want to collect your own leads. That's very, very important. Collecting your own leads can allow you to have a second chance, a third chance, fourth chance, and so on to nurture your leads, to support them, to show that you care, to give build up that know, like, and trust. This is essential. I've been building up a leads list for absolutely years and years, and there are some people who have never joined me in anything, and eventually they just do decide to join me down the road in something. And the great thing about this whole funnel system, unlike a regular funnel, is that they stay on board with you because you're giving them a free system. You're handing them, regardless of whether they're prepared to join you initially or not, they stay on board with you, and they log into their system. They use the system for the businesses that they're promoting. And every time they log in, they see something about what you're promoting. So it's giving them a whole lot of extra chances to potentially connect with you and to check out what you're promoting within your businesses and portfolios. So then you've got all the training here, setting up and launching your you can get access to the Leads Leap course, you can get access to the funnel setup guide, and so on. So it's all in here. So after you get to step 3, you're basically done. Again, you need to go through into the profile settings to set that up. You can have a look at the tools section and go into the banners area. Check out some of the banners and the email swipes that we've got in here to allow you to promote this powerful marketing system. Okay, we've got swipes, and we've got some share codes, more share codes for splash pages. Okay, and we've got more share codes for Leads Leap as well. Okay, so we've got loads of Leads Leap share codes, as you can see, all categorized in different, for what they're responsible for. Again, you've got to understand that these are basically templates. They're not opportunities for you to join something. They're just simply templates. You can use them for whatever businesses you're involved in. Okay, and it's really that simple. So enjoy the system, guys. This is a system that I personally put together. We've got a Facebook group, and let's get you started. Look forward to working with you. Get on the link below. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like. And if you are already a member of Mega Marketing Pro, please let me know how much you like the system, and what you're using it for. But no links. Please do not promote your links on my YouTube channel. Okay. Just let me know if you've had some success with Mega Marketing Pro, and I know a lot of people have, and they're generating leads literally every day. Check out some of the high performers on the leaderboard. So just to show you what the people are able to do here. So as you can see, we've got a lot of members here. We've been going for about 3 years in this system, and a lot of members having some incredible success with this system. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I look forward to welcoming you aboard Mega Marketing Pro. Look forward to potentially working with you. Get on my link below, and see you on the inside. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.